So here in this problem, we need to find out the value of the given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. So here we have four terms. Let's work with the third term here. So we will consider sine of 5 pi over 8. Now, this angle 5 pi over 8 can be also expressed as sine of pi minus 3 pi over 8. Now, we're writing in this particular fashion because we know that if we take sine of pi minus some angle theta, then this becomes equivalent to sine theta. So that means in our case, sine 5 pi over 4 on the left hand side, this will become equals to sine pi minus 3 pi over 8, which will be nothing but sine 3 pi over 8. So if we square both sides, we're going to get sine squared 5 pi over 8. That will be equivalent to sine squared 3 pi over 8. Coming to the fourth term, so here we will start with sine 7 pi over 8. Now, 7 pi over 8 can be also expressed as pi minus pi over 8. Well, the benefit of writing in this fashion, sine pi minus pi over 8 will become equivalent to sine pi over 8. And when we square both sides, we are going to get sine squared 7 pi over 8 will be equivalent to sine squared pi over 8. Okay, let us begin. Now, we'll start with the given trigonometric expression. We have sine squared pi over 8 added to sine squared 3 pi over 8 added to sine squared. We have 5 pi over 8 plus sine squared 7 pi over 8. So here the first term is going to remain the same. So we have sine squared pi over 8. Then the second term is also going to remain unchanged. We have sine squared 3 pi over 8. However, the third term, sine squared 5 pi over 8, we have already found out that it's equivalent to sine squared 3 pi over 8. And the fourth term, sine squared 7 pi over 8, that's going to change to sine squared pi over 8. As we can see, the first and the fourth term are exactly the same terms. So we have 2 times sine squared pi over 8 added to the third and the fourth term. They are also same. We have 2 times sine squared 3 pi over 8. So this is the simplified form of the given expression. Now we can further simplify sine squared 3 pi over 8. So let's use it. So we were going to start with sine 3 pi over 8. Now 3 pi over 8 can be rewritten as, now in the numerator what we'll do, we'll take 4 pi minus pi divided by 8, such that we get sine of 4 pi over 8 minus pi over 8, which will be equals to sine of, so 4 pi over 8, that's pi over 2. So a pi over 2 minus pi over 8. Now we will be using the fact that if we have sine of pi over 2 minus some angle phi, that this becomes equal to cosine of the angle phi, which means that the expression on the right hand side is going to become cosine of pi over 8. We have obtained sine 3 pi over 8 equals to cosine pi over 8. So if we square both sides, we're going to get sine squared 3 pi over 8. This is the same as cosine squared pi over 8. Okay, so let's use this value. So now we have 2 times sine squared pi over 8 added to 2 times sine squared 3 pi over 8, but this will get replaced with cosine squared pi over 8. So let's take 2 as the common factor. So 2 gets multiplied to sine squared pi over 8 plus cosine squared pi over 8. However, sine squared pi over 8 plus cosine squared pi over 8, this is a standard identity having a value 1. So that means our final result comes out to be 1. Thus, the value of the given trigonometric expression, sine squared pi over 8 plus sine squared 3 pi over 8 plus sine squared 5 pi over 8 plus sine squared 7 pi over 8. So this comes equals to 2.